Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Windows version and CPU model so you fetch the correct Intel driver. This avoids mismatches. Next, download the latest Intel graphics driver package, not just the generic Windows update. Once done, create a system restore point so you can roll back if anything fails. You do these first steps to reduce risk, because driver mismatches or missing prerequisites are the most common reasons the Intel control panel disappears. Now you uninstall the existing GPU driver via Device Manager and choose Delete Driver Software. This removes corrupted packages. After uninstall, reboot once to clear driver caches. Then run the Intel installer and pick Custom or Clean Install. This ensures the Intel graphics control panel components are added. Make sure to watch installer options and allow any required Windows permissions. Once the installation finishes, reboot again. The second restart lets services register and the control panel should reappear. Finish by confirming the Intel graphics control panel service is running in services. MSC, start it if needed. If the app still does not appear, use Apps and Features to repair or reinstall the Intel graphics control panel from the Microsoft Store when supported. Once done, validate that the control app launches and that display settings are present. Troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, run sfc/scano and dism restore health. These repair
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.